Start a new business, be your own boss, make more money, be in control. What's up? It's Tim the Window Cleaner here, your Colorado boy. And although all of what I stated sounds great and even true, there are a handful of things that about being in business that just aren't talked about quite as much. And in this video, I want to address some of them so that way you don't show up to the job caught off guard. Now let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to know about starting a business from scratch is that it is rigorous. Being a business owner means that you will be working long hours and possibly weekends because the startup process is so crucial and delicate that it requires all of your efforts and attention in order for your business to really thrive and have a solid foundation. When I first started Clearco, I worked long hours and many times found myself exhausted. But the way that I managed it was that I made a commitment to myself that I would not work on Sundays. If you want to be in business for the long haul, you will have to allow yourself to regenerate, rejuvenate, and recalibrate. If you don't take time to do this, you will quickly experience burnout, and your business isn't the only thing that will suffer. Especially if you have a family and kids, you will need to make a priority and not just survive. So number one, never compromise your own survival for the survival of your business. Your business should serve you and not vice versa. You are a business owner, so own your business and don't let it own you. You might be tempted to allow your business to pull you forward and may even find success addicting. Just be aware of this and your ability to work at a healthy pace, and don't let your business drive you. Story time. So the first guy that I worked for once told me that for years he allowed himself to be pulled by heavy schedules and high demands from customers to the point that his kids and even his marriage suffered from it. He would come home late, ignore his kids and his wife in order to catch up on the calls and scheduling. And after years of having amazing success, he found himself divorced, homeless, and in constant back pain from all the hard work. Now, he never lost his business, but at the end of the day, his advice to me was to not let business control my life. The success of your business should not take priority over you and your personal life. So my philosophy here is work hard, love harder. The condition of your customers' windows should not take precedence over the condition of your heart, life, and marriage. Number two is make a commitment to yourself to set aside a day to shut off work. You need to rest. You need to set good, healthy boundaries so that way you can live your life and not live for your business. Lastly is that not everyone is your friend. You're starting a business, you're already taking a leap of faith, you're branching out, stepping out, and it's scary. I mean, you feel vulnerable, and most likely, you've got a bunch of people that are already rooting for your success. Now, for as amazing as that is, you will also have people that don't believe in you. You'll have customers talk trash about you, criticize you, your work, your business. Being in business, though, has given me personally the opportunity to learn how to overcome rejection, because believe me, you will be rejected by the very people that you are trying to serve. Now, let me just say this. Always do your best work. Always be respectful. Don't take people's harsh words to heart. The reality is that you will have customers that are just difficult to deal with, and all you can do is give them your best. Two rules I live by when people are against me is, number one, don't take it personally. You never know what somebody else is going through, and really their attitude with you very well may have nothing to do with you. And last thing you need is to take home somebody else's harsh words and allow them to have a negative effect on you. And then number two is just keep putting one foot in front of the other. Keep your head up, stay in the fight, don't quit. You may have someone tell you that you're unprofessional or you provide a bad service. You making mistakes is inevitable, but allow yourself the grace to go through your personal growth process, all right? Now, if you like this video and you found it helpful, remember to hit like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.